Creativity. It starts with an idea. It's inside all of us. What if you could take your creativity to the next dimension? Introducing the Silhouette Alta 3D printer. Easy to use, the Alta allows you to go from an idea to a custom 3D print. Thanks to its small footprint, the Alta takes up minimal desktop space. It's driven by custom 3D software that's sophisticated enough for professional designers, yet accessible to beginners and students. Simply select your design from the Silhouette Design Store or create one yourself. Customize it. Select your filament color and print something amazing. Soar to new heights of creativity with the Alta. Give your home or office a look that's uniquely you. Bring school projects to life. Personalize a party. Create custom accessories for your gear. Make a bold personal statement. Build one-of-a-kind gifts. Highlight a memory. Make a moment unforgettable. Discover the next creative frontier with the Silhouette Alta 3D printer.